Me, I can.
China, you've got dandruff all of a sudden. What's happening?
Ish. You wanna see my phone? Sikhona izinto bezingami kahle. So now I had to intervene because umngani wami wapi was a high school.
But again, the heart, no babe, no ndoni. What's happening?
Boyfriend amina.
Kusukela rini mi ri swin'we?
Se khale ngopfu hi ri swin'we hina lembe.
Like wena wa ni phutisa like mina na wena hina 4 months loyi mina lembe swin'we. Ne?
Develop my feelings for him na yena. Nguye wangiqalayo. Wangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You, the girl is cold.
Hey,
Oh,
very cool.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
How are you? I'm good. My scuts, I go around asking couples questions now. I'm from CMTV. Would you guys be willing? Just a couples quiz.
No problem.
No problem.
Yes.
Okay, come closer, please, just to the side. Okay, on my right, sir. Okay, name?
Well, my name is China. Yeah.
China.
China, yeah.
Okay, and?
My name is Return.
Sorry?
Return.
Return.
Yes.
Okay, how long have you been with China?
4 months.
4 months.
Yes.
Okay, still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay, where did you meet?
At the mall.
At the mall.
Yeah.
Okay, China. Do you remember the first thing you said to her?
The first thing I said to her, oh, I think I was trying to learn Tsonga because she's Tsonga. Yeah. The first thing I said, I think I said, Giagurata, but she corrected me and said, it's
Ranza.
Ranza. Yeah. I made a mistake. That's the first thing I said. Yeah.
Okay. I like that. Girl, what is it that you like about China?
It's ice.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's giving China.
China.
Okay, what else? Oh, girl, you have to think about
smile.
it. The smile.
Yes.
Okay, I like that. China, what is it that you like about Return?
The complexion, you know.
Yes, yeah.
She's got that cheeky smile. That side smile.
Okay.
Yeah.
And?
What I like about it's her personality.
Okay.
Person, yeah. At times, yeah.
You don't
Most of the
like
time.
crazy girls.
Ah.
China, what are you? Are you Xhosa? What are you?
Yeah, I'm closer.
So you don't want the Xhosa word, crazy Xhosa word.
Xhosa woman.
And colored women.
Oh.
Have you experienced one?
Xhosa woman, yeah, I've dated Xhosa woman, but phela
All the time,
all
ne?
the time.
No, I get you.
Yeah.
I get you. I understand. But do you trust her on a scale of 1 to 10? Just rate her for me.
90%.
90%. Yes. Return.
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
100%.
100%. Damn. You're not even leaving one for disappointment, nothing.
Oh, 100% sure. I trust him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, what we do on this show, right? We make couples switch phones. Right? You guys switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps just to check if you're not cheating on each other. Would you be willing to do that?
Me.
Both of you.
Me, I can.
China, you've got dandruff all of a sudden. What's happening?
Ish. You wanna see my phone?
Yes.
What do you wanna
Why?
see, much?
I want to see.
Why
You
not?
wanna see?
I trust you because I think I won't cheat.
Ish.
What's the problem, China? Why don't you want her to see your phone?
One cheatella.
Nah. But it's cool. Yeah. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Whose phone should we start with? Whose phone do you guys want to start with?
Mine.
Yours.
Yeah.
Okay, just open it for me, my scut. China, do you want to give your phone to the guy behind you, please? Okay, just open your phone, scut. Okay, please go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Sure.
Okay. Search. Type love you.
I love Yo. Yeah. Yeah, give me another.
Okay.
And it's your sister, ne? Unthabiseng.
Yes.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Okay, delete that.
Sure.
Type miss you.
Miss you. Yeah, it's still me. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, delete that.
Sure.
Type babe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dimlo.
Okay, delete that.
Sure.
Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Thank you. Okay, yeah. Dim, because always got imali. Yeah. Every time.
Okay.
Dimlo.
Okay, nice.
It's her mother and her sister King Tabizeng.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. No, there's nothing, yeah.
Okay, delete. Okay. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Outside. And him lalo.
Okay.
Him.
Okay, delete that.
Sharp.
Type pregnant.
Pregnant. Still and him lalo.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type morning after pill.
Morning after pill. Nah, Kondiko.
Okay. Hey, okay, nice. Delete you. Give her back her phone.
Sharp.
Okay. Okay. Search, ne? Go to WhatsApp first. Sorry. Okay, search. Type love you.
Okay, Milo.
Nice. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Then who is Nothando?
Oh, Nothando, nah. Umuntu engangifuna naye lo, high school, yeah.
So you miss her. Go into the conversation.
Uyahlangana mos.
Uyazi ngikuthini? UNothando, bayifuna ngimncede uNothando. UNothando kaloku ebekwambalisela ibali lokuthi kokwawe sikhona izinto bezingahambi kahle. So now I had to intervene because umngane wami wapi was a high school.
But again, the hearts, no babe, no ndoni, what's happening? Because Sibone is up and there's flirting here.
The heart? Ish, I think I choose.
I don't want it to lock.
Ngake ngayinika umngane wami le phone le. I think yeah.
Maska, do you want us to call her?
Yeah, let's call her because I don't trust him.
Hey, I think she's at work.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. She can still answer at work. Don't you stress.
So angitshitela vele.
Sinsadi wami.
Please hold thumbs.
Ngiyenza kanjani?
Hayi. Angitshitela. No. Anokuthembeni.
Juliansela, she's at work, ne?
Yeah.
Hi, can I please speak to Nothando?
Hello.
Askabanga.
Hello, njani?
Mishapha kunjani?
Nipfukeni. Nivulavula na Nothando.
Nivulavula na mani?
Na return. Yeah, wa n'wi tiva China.
Yeah, China i boyfriend ya mina.
Yini?
I boyfriend ya mina.
Kusukela rini mi ri swin'we?
Se ikhale ngopfu hi ri swin'we na lembe.
Yo, China. I swilo leswi ni swi twaku la.
I can explain.
Explain what?
Like, uNothando ne?
Like wena wa ni phutisa like mina na wena hi na 4 months loyi mina lembe swin'we. Ne?
Develop my feelings for him na yena. Nguye wangiqalayo. Wangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda.
But uthi ka mina musu ta nje ku 1 rand why? Why?
Inkinga ukuthi
What?
uyakhumbula lesikhathi sixabana kakhulu.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
That time I felt alone. Lela xesha anditexte ngalo ngokele.
No,
It doesn't mean I don't value you.
You don't value me because
I do.
mina na wena hina 4 months and mina 1 year. Do you think 1 year ku tlanga? China, wanendla so vele. Why unendla so?
Sinsati wa mina. Ngiyakuri ngiranza wena wedwa. Iphutha leli.
Hawa. I put cause mina ani ri sure 100% sure ku ri wena na ku tshemba mara unendla so. Why?
Amaphutha amancane baby.
Hawa.
Singayilungisa lena.
No.
Iyafuna uyilungisa, do you want to fix it? You don't?
I don't want to fix
Ima.
it.
Hayi ke China.
Yima. Awusangifuni manje.
Angisakufuni.
Ngenxa iphutha elinye.
Yeah.
Iphutha elinye kuphela.
No.
China, you can leave us.
No.
Sithanda sami.
No, no. No, don't touch me because I need to go read. Kuna sengela ku ri na van'wanyana ni lava tiviki yiwa. So leave me alone. Leave me alone.
China, you can go, please, sir.
Leave me alone.
My skirt, do you need transport? Home, are you fine?
I'm okay.
You're okay.
Yeah.
Sorry I ruined your day, ne?
Okay.
You can go about your business.
Thank you.
Sure. Hey. Yeah, ne?
Kuraf.
Kurwef.
Hayi kuraf.
Singahamba wethu Dlamini.
Asambe. Asambe. Asambe.
Are you in a bad mood today?
No, asambe.
Are you in a bad mood today?
The comment that you showed me.
Oh, that comment, ne?
Ingithathe somehow.
Ne?
Yeah. Iyangibonisa ukuthi abanye abantu abacabanga. But they don't think.
Yeah.
Singabantu nathi at the end of the day.
We're human beings, not animals. Omnye uthi ngenye imini bana. Oh, Lisa, you're getting old, right? I can't see you, Dlamini. Imapha man, Dlamini.
Ngime kuphi?
Imapha, so I can't see you. Uthi you're getting old, right? And I'm like, yeah, I'm a human being. I'm supposed to get old. Okay, am I an alien? What was supposed? I think even aliens get old. Of course, I'm getting old. Do you know okay, am I an object? Yes, I'm getting old. I'm very proud. I'm not one of those girls that are scared to age. I'm very proud. So I don't know if you guys see us as objects. And I think in the industry, I don't think I'm in the industry, but girls that are social media personalities, the worst thing you can do is age. Like you've offended everybody. How dare you get older? And I think it comes from a place of seeing us as objects. That's the only reason you're gonna say, Lisa, you're getting old, as if I'm not allowed to do what human beings do. Do you understand? So people really need to do some introspection. Because what's supposed to happen? No, bendizoba na 20 forever, not Dlamini.
Uhlala una 20 ungakhuphi. Then bazojabula.
Just some comments are just, I shame I don't get them. I thought that was such a low IQ kind of comment. It can only come from a low IQ kind of person.
What kodwa ilo IQ yini?
Huh?
I remember you told me what uthe ilo IQ yini?
Someone who's dumb.
Someone who's
Stupid. Someone who's an imbecile.
someone who's empty up here.
Anyway, guys, masambeni man, you ndiyagula nokugula namhlanje. For the man addressana nalo. Anyway, do follow me on Instagram.
Save your strength. You need it.
I need to go home and rest.
Yeah.
Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram welcome _ Dlamini 88. Facebook it's welcome Dlamini.
Why are you in such a bad mood?
It's welcome Dlamini. That comment there.
But shame Dlamini, it was directed to me.
When I got here, being right. Yeah, being right. But after reading that comment, siyastrava mfethu every day. We wake up ukubanda ngabandi. Yabo. Siyosebenza doing it for bona.
Kaloku siyasokola. That's why sisebenza in the first place. We wake up and we work because siyasokola thina. Siyasokola. And akhonto sinayo singonontokolo. You know.
Fine. Lungile.
No, guys, it's fine.
Lungile. I feel
It's fine.
if you guys decide to treat us like this.
You're in such a bad mood. Lighten up, Dlums. Awufuna ukuthiwa iyasokola.
Wa mina ngiyazi ngiyasokola, akumele ungitshele ukuthi ngiyasokola. ngiyakwazi ukusokola kwami. Why kumele utshela abantu ukusokola kwami? Me, I know my struggles. Wait, why do you have to tell people about my struggles?
Bali ndiyasokola.
Ndiyasokola. Ndiyayiqonda lento ba ndiyasokola. Sigcina injalo ke. Oh, but people, you guys can be cruel sometimes. Yazi. Yo, ndiyavuma oyini? Ndiyavuma ndiuPilato ngigeza izandla ngithi.
Yo.
nguPilato. Sinthanda kanje?
Sana.
Lungile.
Sayidreka Dlamini masiyeke Badri.
Asiyeke, yeah. Let's just yabo. Let the sleeping dogs.
I think also it's a comment that comes from people who think we live for them. You know, ezazinto zoba ba uthenge a Mercedes, you just have to post it because you live for people on social media.
Yeah.
So
yes. Approval from people.
Yes. So zothi bana, why am I staying in an apartment I can't afford? That's someone that thinks I do things for people on social media. Do you get me? I'm very mature. Tenga Mercedes and not post. I can go to Dubai without posting. Have you seen my apartment? No one has ever seen my apartment. If Bongo, I would have shown you guys my apartment. Apartment hot. Can post and post. Some guys.
Oh, really?
But akavale phinda man anfundi vala man maiska.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.